Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Proton Calendar on your iPhone step by step. A Proton Calendar is a secure, privacy-focused calendar app that helps you organize your schedule with end-to-end encrypted event details and seamless syncing across your devices. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search tab at the bottom of the screen, type Proton Calendar, and look for the official app published by Proton AG. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its App Store page. Tap the Get button, then confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Proton Calendar. If you already have a Proton account, sign in using your username and password. If you don't have one yet, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to register for a free account. After signing in, allow notifications if you'd like to receive reminders for upcoming events, meetings, and appointments. You can always change your notification preferences later from the app settings. Now, create your first calendar event by tapping the New Event or Plus button. Enter the event title, date, time, and any additional details, then save it. Your events will automatically sync across your devices whenever you're signed in with the same Proton account. And that's it. You now know how to install Proton Calendar on your iPhone and start managing your schedule with Proton's secure and privacy-focused calendar service. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next